Here comes the farmers.
It's right there.
Commander angkat murdus. No.
Yeah?
No.
Kill that motherfucker.
Problem.
No problem.
Hey, Gran, grab the 240 for the hunting.